3, 2, 1.
LaDainian Tomlinson finished first on the 2006 Chargers team in rushing yards. What running back finished second that year behind Tomlinson? The answer is B. Michael Turner. Which psychologist is known for his work on learning through association and punishment? The answer is B. B.F. Skinner. Which political leader introduced the Great Leap Forward? The answer is B. Mao Zedong. The frequency of sound waves is measured in what unit? The answer is C. Hertz. What has hands but can't clap and is heard in the Senate and the House of Representatives? The answer is D. A gavel. Which law explains the behavior of gases? The answer is C. Charles's law. Which compound contains sodium chlorine and forms a white crystalline solid? The answer is D. Sodium chloride. Which elephant subspecies is the largest on the planet? The answer is D. Savannah elephant. Which of these is another name for the cornucopia, the symbol of plenty that came to be associated with Thanksgiving and the harvest? The answer is D. Horn of Amalthea. This historical event occurred in 1881 in the United States. It has been the storyline for at least 4 major motion pictures. What was this event? The answer is C. The gunfight at the OK Corral. Probably the best lager in the world is a slogan associated with which beer brand? The answer is C. Carlsberg. How many seconds are in a leap second? The answer is B. 61 seconds. Who is known for his sculptures of David and Michelangelo's slaves? The answer is C. Giotto. Which philosopher famously said the life of man in a state of nature is solitary, poor, nasty, brutish, and short? The answer is A. Thomas Hobbes. Depression and anxiety are considered mood disorders. Which of the following is also considered a mood disorder? The answer is C. Bipolar disorder. Of all of the postulates of Euclid, one stood out as a big sticking point. To this day it involves such things as space travel, physics, and triangles. Which postulate was it? The answer is C. 5. What is the most common metal in the Earth's crust? The answer is A. Iron. Which school supply is used for drawing? The answer is A. Crayon. Who created the scream? The answer is A. Edvard Munch. According to Dr. Seuss, what goes with ham? The answer is B. Green eggs. What is the major source of water vapor in the atmosphere? The answer is C. Ocean. The end of the phospholipid molecule that is polar and attracts water is called what? The answer is D. Hydrophilic. What does GDP stand for in economics? The answer is B. Global debt payments. What is the most popular game on Twitch as of February 2022? The answer is A. Fortnite. On the Alvin Show, which one of the chipmunks was the brainy one? The answer is B. Simon. What is the first virtual assistant to be introduced? The answer is A. Siri. Who developed the theory of quantum mechanics? The answer is D. Max Planck. A fact or question is only considered science if it has what property? The answer is B. It is testable. A retailer gets an order of aluminum delivered weekly. Where is the aluminum likely coming from? The answer is D. It is coming from a merchant. Until what century was alchemy considered a serious science in Europe? The answer is B. 16th century. What was the name of the first geometry textbook which was written by the ancient Greek Euclid? The answer is B. The Elements. In the movie Napoleon Dynamite, Pedro has a bicycle about which Napoleon asks if he ever takes it off any sweet jumps. What kind of bicycle is it? The answer is C. Sledgehammer. What type of vehicle does Elon Musk's Boring Company primarily focus on? The answer is D. Tunneling machines. In which California community was the first of the Zodiac murders committed according to the 2007 movie of the same name? The answer is A. Vallejo. I'm a lady with many letters, known for my famous dress. Who am I? The answer is B. Audrey Hepburn. The horizontal axis on a graph is the x-axis. What is most likely placed along this axis? The answer is D. Independent variables. Who plays the character Eleven in Stranger Things? The answer is A. Millie Bobby Brown. Which game uses a system called Cellular Automata for terrain generation? The answer is B. No Man's Sky. What does Baby plan to do in the movie Dirty Dancing? The answer is C. Join the Peace Corps. The world's first constitution was the American one. Which constitution was the second in the world and the first in Europe? The answer is C. Polish. What is the largest artery in the body called? The answer is B. Aorta. What did Clarice Starling want to give Dr. Hannibal Lecter when she visits the asylum in the movie The Silence of the Lambs? The answer is A. The case file. What is it that a man takes with him on land and sea but cannot lose it unless he leaves it behind? The answer is A. Footsteps. What is the Hindu god associated with war and destruction? The answer is B. Shiva. What is the record for largest collection of rubber ducks? The answer is D. 134,831. What is Bluetooth named after? The answer is D. An Old Norse god. William Sanderson played the local weirdo Larry in Newhart. What were the names of his brothers? The answer is D. Dorrell and Durrell. Who is the father of modern economics? The answer is A. Adam Smith. What kind of material that might otherwise go to a landfill can serve as the source of biomass power? The answer is A. Organic waste. What kind of contest does Charlie Chaplin's character enter to raise money for the poor blind girl in the 1931 silent movie City Lights?